You need to buy this sneaker right now before it's too late. Today we're going to unbox two pairs of sneakers. One is kind of a brick. Maybe I'll make 10, 20 bucks. The other sneaker, you guys need to buy right now before it is too late because the price of this sneaker is just going to go up. If you guys love sneakers and you love sneaker giveaways, make sure you guys join the More family. Hit that subscribe button down below. We just hit 20,000 subscribers. Thank you guys so much. It means the world to me. Let's get to 100K. Make sure you guys hit that thumbs up if you wind up enjoying this video. It will help out the channel. It will push out this video to more people. So thank you guys so much for hitting that thumbs up. Make sure you stick around because I'm also going to announce a brand new sneaker giveaway on the channel. Also, be sure to check the link down below in the description. Go cop yourself a fire Yeezy tee. We got the same graphic as last month, this time with a bunch of Yeezy 350 V2s. The link's down below in the description. And if you want to cop last month's tee, the Jordan 1 Fire tee, make sure you guys go check that out as well. Once again, the link is down below in the description. Thank you guys so much for the love and the support on the tees. With that being said, let's take a look at these fire sneakers that you guys need to buy right now before it's too late. We have two sneakers to unbox. One of these sneakers I'm going to be giving away, but before we unbox these shoes, I want to announce a little giveaway in this video as well. We do have the Yeezy Fire tee up for sale down below in the description. Make sure you guys go check that out. I do want to give away some tees to help promote the tees, of course. So make sure you guys leave a comment down below. Make sure you're subscribed to the channel. Hit that thumbs up. Leave a comment down below, anything at all you want to say. And at the end of your comment, leave your Instagram, your Twitter, your email, a way for me to get in contact with you. And I'll go ahead and pick some of you guys to send off some free fire Yeezy tees. And I'm also going to be giving away one of these sneakers that we do have to unbox today. So let's put down one of these boxes and let's get straight into this unboxing. So I'm very excited to see both of these sneakers. This first one, not so much. To be honest with you, I only bought it off of the website because it was there. They were sitting there for a little bit when they did officially drop. They did sell out now, but there's not much profit. They were at like $250. Now I think they're like under $200. They've dropped in price. Retail was $170, so I'm not really going to make much at all. If anything, to be honest, I might just let these go for retail plus shipping. So I did want to take a look at the shoe because why not? You know, why not take a look at something that I've never really been into so much before. So we do have, oh, okay, well, this gives it away. We do have some stickers, and this is from the brand Stussy. Stussy, however you guys want to say it. I call it Stussy. I'm pretty sure that's how you say it. So let's take a look and let's see what sneakers we got. Now, this colorway did not drop on the sneakers app. They dropped the white pair on the Nike sneakers app. I, of course, took an L. But they dropped the black pair on the Stussy website. And they were sitting for a little bit. So I decided to pull the trigger. Why not? Retail was $170. We got the Air ZM Spiridon KK Stussy collab right here. Nike Stussy collab. Let's take a look. Let's see these. These are kind of like a dad shoe, in my opinion. Not really something I'm into. But I did want to take a look at them, and why not pick them up here, give you guys a little bit of content, and it's something different on the channel. So here we do have the Stussy Nike collab in the black colorway. I do like the white colorway more, but to be honest, I'm not really a fan of just the shoe in general. I think the Nike Stussy collab the first time around was a lot better. The Fossil colorway in particular was a lot better than this model, but it's cool. Still cool to see. Still not a bad sneaker, just not my real cup of tea, not something I personally am into so much, but I did want to take a look at them. It is a Stussy collab after all with Nike, so why not take a look at them here on the channel. We do have the Stussy signature right there on the tongue. That's a really nice detail. Like I said, I'm not really crazy about them in pictures and more so in hand. I think these things, in my opinion personally, are ugly. I'm going to keep it real with you guys. These things are not for me. If you're looking to invest in some sneakers, these may have some potential, I would say, over time. If you're talking about the Fossil colorway, the first Stussy collab, those things were right around $250. Now they're at like $400 or $500. And the smaller sizes of that shoe is well over $1,000, which is pretty crazy. So I think this is a cool looking shoe, but I'll probably just let these go, like I said, for probably retail. I'm not sure how I feel about the rubber plastic going on throughout the shoe. Kind of just throws it off for me. I like the materials, the mesh and everything. The bottom is cool. Just like I said, not really a shoe that I'm into. Still cool to look at here on the channel. So let me know what you guys think about the Stussy collab. Did you wind up picking up the white colorway, which does have a little bit more resale? I think the white pair was a better shoe, a better collab, a better colorway, and I think they did a better job on the white pair, but, you know, these are cool. Nonetheless, Stussy collab, can't go wrong. I'm gonna sell these, obviously, like I told you guys, not for me, but they're cool to see nonetheless. Now, this next shoe, we got a pair of Yeezys from Adidas. Finally came in. It's been a little while. Adidas has been slow on their shipping, but this is a pair of Yeezys from Adidas. I'm very excited, man, to pick these up. I did actually take a W on 2 pairs, one from Dick's Sporting Goods, which I already sold. I made my profit on them, but this pair I want to give away to you guys. So make sure you guys listen up, take a look at the shoe with me, let's unbox them, and then listen up for the giveaway details. I'm going to show you guys exactly how to enter the giveaway and all the details for the giveaway for a pair of Yeezys here on the channel. So we do have a size 11. Let's take a look at these. We've seen them before. They've been out for a little bit. We do have a Chinese card. I guess the Zyons, for some reason, come with a Chinese card. I'm not sure why Adidas started doing that, but we do have the Yeezy 350 V2 Zyon. So these are brand new, dead stock, size 11, and a very clean colorway. I absolutely love this Yeezy. I think this is one of the best 350 V2s to drop in quite some time. So I want to talk about resale, and then we'll talk about the giveaway details. So right now, the bigger sizes are under $300, around $280, $270. And I believe these will go up in price. I think it's pretty much guaranteed these will go up in price, unless if we get a big restock, right? Restocks do happen with Yeezys. Adidas is known for restocking their Yeezys. After the restock, the price still goes back up. Take a look at Wave Runners. Take a look at Triple White 350 V2s, guys. 2 of the biggest massed restocks, and Zebras. Don't forget Zebras. 3 of the biggest restocked Yeezys ever, and they've done nothing but climb back up in price. Wave Runners back to over $500, Zebras back to over $350, Triple Whites back to over $400. It's absolutely insane. So even if they do restock in the future, which could happen, you never know, it just means hold on to them even longer, because they will go back up in price. Now, smaller sizes in the Zyons right now are at around $350, $330, $360, around that price. They will, in the smaller sizes, become a $450, $500 shoe. The bigger sizes will go to $350 to $400, so it's a really good investment, guys. You can really do some numbers with the Zyons, especially if you pick up multiple pairs. Colorway's clean, you really can't go wrong. A very wearable shoe, which is awesome. You know, a lot of Yeezys that do go up in price faster than others, if you look, they're usually very wearable, right? They're very wearable, very easy to match, easy to throw on, and this is just another prime example of that. So I'm telling you guys right now, cop the Yeezy 350 V2 Zyon before it is too late and the price is just way too much money. Retails $220. You can get them right now, like I said, the bigger sizes for under $300, which is pretty good, and they will go to $350, $400, so pretty good profit right there. And the smaller sizes right now, like I said, around $350, they will go to $450, $500. Drop a comment down below. Let me know if you guys picked up the Yeezy 350 V2 Zyon. What do you guys think about them? Cop, drop, must have, drop that comment, let me know. Now let's discuss the giveaway. So last month I did a giveaway for the Royal Toe Jordan 1s if you guys copped a Fire Jordan 1 tee. But for this month, I'm going to change it up a little bit. I'm still going to leave the new designed Fire tees up for sale with the Yeezy graphics, so make sure you guys go cop, link down below in the description. I'm deciding to go ahead and give away this pair of Zyons on the channel for completely free, so everybody can enter. You don't have to cop a tee for this giveaway. This month, you will have a chance at the Zyons for completely free. To enter this giveaway, all you guys need to do is hit that subscribe button down below. Make sure you guys hit that thumbs up on this video. Drop a comment down below. That does help the engagement on this video. Once again, make sure you leave your Instagram, Twitter, email, anything at all at the end of your comment so I can pick some of you guys to win some Fire Yeezy tees. And then head over to Instagram. Make sure you give me a follow on Instagram and check out my most recent post on Instagram with the Zyons. Make sure you guys do what the giveaway details say on that Instagram post. Very, very simply, like the post, tag 2 friends, and that is basically it. You are entered. So to re-summarize, make sure you guys subscribe, make sure you guys hit that thumbs up, drop a comment down below in the comments on this video, head over to Instagram, give me a follow on Instagram at DannyMoore2369, and then check out my latest post, like that post, tag 2 friends, and you are entered. I'm gonna let this giveaway run for a few weeks. Of course, gotta make it worth it since, you know, giveaways do cost me money. I wanna make it worth it for myself and obviously for you guys. So make sure you guys go ahead and enter the Yeezy Zyon giveaway. And don't forget to cop a pair of Zyons for yourself before the price is too high and before it's too late. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, please make sure you guys hit that thumbs up. Make sure you guys go cop your fire tees. The link's down below in the description. Make sure you guys enter the giveaway for the Zyons. Make sure you guys follow me on Instagram. Hit that subscribe button. Hit that thumbs up. Drop a comment down below. I love you guys. More family. You guys are absolutely killing it lately. Thank you guys so much for the love and the support. I want to thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you guys join the More family. Hit that subscribe button. Smash that like button. We're always on the grind. We're never gonna stop. Always dropping that fire. Straight fire. Thank you guys so much for watching. We out.